Here is that shoe rack I found in the trash a couple days ago. I actually found it on video, which was unintentional and completely unrelated. I know it's not going to have anywhere near the capacity that I need, but let's see what it can hold. Looks like it may have a decent capacity. Of course, it all fell apart since I found it, and I don't really know how it went. I guess this should be pretty simple. That looks like the top. I wonder if this is not a shoe rack. It doesn't seem like there's a lot of distance in between the shelves. I mean, certain ones will fit, but other ones will not. Yeah, this isn't. This is not going to work as well as I had imagined. And it's all wobbly. Not that it really matters if it falls over. It's not like the shoes are going to break, but it would still be a nuisance. It seems like it only holds like 2.5. Yeah, this is really not ideal. Nothing high will fit on these lower rungs, which is a problem. It's definitely only 2. Oh gosh, this is really not ideal. Actually, you know what? It kind of works. If you lift it up a little bit, I guess. That's really not ideal. Okay, well, I had high hopes for this thing, but it kind of failed to deliver. It's not terrible, but certainly leaves something to be desired. Well, it was free, so I guess it's better than nothing. It'll serve some purpose.